You are going to love the 2019 2500. This vehicle is powered by a 6-cylinder, 6.7-liter engine and comes with a automatic transmission. This vehicle has less than 60,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: front license plate bracket, inside you'll find trip computer, power rear window sunshade, tinted glass, compass. Ram 2500 is the 2010 Truck of the Year winner. It is the hardest working truck in tow business. This beauty is sure to make you the talk of the neighborhood. So call or drop in for a test drive today.